We're Flicq. We're a Silicon Valley startup, and we make it easy for companies to monitor remote equipment.
At Flicq, the problem that we see today is that companies don't have that real-time visibility into their heavy equipment. This means that they're wasting time and money by sending personnel physically on-site to monitor and maintain their assets when they don't really need to.
Our solution today is used in remote industrial applications such as shipping and water utilities, but there's a need in cities too. Santander's experts can help us better understand the commercial landscape and position our solution in the markets in which it operates. For Flicq to move up to the next level, the big challenge is funding, and the global exposure through Santander should help us to attract investors so that we can scale up.
By winning the Tomorrow X Challenge, we're really excited to be able to partner with a brand like Santander. With Santander's global reach, we hope to be able to scale our business faster by reaching a much wider audience.